Hi, welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel Janvika Academy to know more about me. So, I've always been passionate about cutting vegetables since childhood, and it's taken me this long to actually realize I can create content with it. So, here we are. Today, I'm cutting fresh radishes for sambar or Kozhambu. The leaves were fresh, so they were kept aside for another dish. With radish sambar on the side, we have Ladiesfinger, for what we call kai in Tamil and palya in Kannada. Here's my first video. Look forward to more. Of course, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.